away from that.
All right, legendary DJ Kasem is at the center of a big legal fight.
And disgraced L.A. Clippers owner Don Sterling vowing to take his fight to keep the team to the Supreme Court.
So attorney Sue Moss is back with some insight. There she is on the legal stories making headlines. Thank you for being here.
Sure, absolutely.
So let's discuss the legendary DJ Kasem. His wife being blamed by the children for keeping him away. What is going on there?
SOC, save our Casey. Okay, so this is what happened. The daughter goes to visit him at the nursing home. They have a wonderful visit. The two really reconnect. And then the next day, Gene takes him away from the nursing home, even though he needs medical care, and brings him to Washington State to go visit friends, even though he can't speak.
Some sound, too, that's going to support that. Let's listen to this first before we get more from you.
We've all had an incredible relationship with my father. We don't ask him for money. We're all successful. So why she is doing this is beyond me. What I believe is severe mental illness.
She's like the evil stepmother. If you had Hans Christian Andersen still alive, you'd have the best story ever about an apple. I mean, honestly, this woman is crazy.
But didn't the authorities find him and check on him and said he was mentally sane, and
yes,
they checked on him and left?
Yes, they checked on him. He was groomed, and he was, you know, but why do you take a man who has this level of unfortunate medical problems, he can't speak, and take him and start traveling all around the country?
I thought he was assigned a conservator. And if you are assigned a conservator in every state, there are certain...
That's right.
They're allowed to then take...
So the State Court of California made the daughter carry the conservator until June 20th, which means she can now take control over the money and over him. But on June 20th, I do think it's going to go back to the status quo since he was found and he wasn't harmed. Yeah. I don't think these kids are really going after their money. They really want to see their dad.
Yeah. Hey, another California story. It's the state that keeps on giving. Donald Sterling now has hired an attorney. He doesn't want to pay the fine. He wants to keep the team. What's the status? Should this guy keep talking?
Oh my God, he goes after Magic Johnson. Going after Magic Johnson is like kicking a puppy. Who doesn't like Magic? I mean, he's making himself look like an absolute idiot. But the truth is, the reality is, Donald Sterling doesn't have a legal foot to stand on. He, along with all the other NBA owners, signed the NBA Constitution. They signed a legal contract saying that if a certain percentage, 3/4 of all the NBA owners vote to make him sell, he agrees that he will sell. This is a contract issue. It is a simple legal argument. He loses. There's going to be no Supreme Court coming in. It's a simple contract issue. He gave away his rights. Donald Sterling, remember, is a divorce lawyer. As we all know, as a divorce lawyer, the smartest type of lawyers there are.
They are.
But
you're always in business.
Not him.
Woohoo!
All right.
So he knew what he was doing.
Former Patriots player Hernandez already facing 2 murder charges. He's been indicted. That's in Boston. But now I'm hearing there may be more charges he's facing.
Oh, absolutely. This guy makes Michael Vick look good.
No.
Okay. He's already in jail for murder. He's already in jail for threatening a guard. He's already in jail also for beating up another inmate. And now add to that 2 other murder charges that have come down the pike. This guy is never going to see the light of day, and, you know, that's the end. And he, you know, when you play an aggressive sport like football, it's not surprised that sometimes it does some things to your head, and this guy is now allegedly a serial killer.
Horrible. I mean, when you think about what he gave up and what promise he showed.
Yeah, you never see that happening to the cheerleaders.
Yeah.
No.
They're just trying to unionize.
They just need to get paid more, yeah.
All right. Well, one of the smartest attorneys we know, and a divorce attorney. Sue Moss, thanks so much for coming. Have a great weekend.
You too.
Thanks.